Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to schedule posts on Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our content, be sure to subscribe with notification on. So let's start today's video without any further ado. So first, go to your browser on your desktop and type facebook.com, and after you come into Facebook and log into your account. Now remember, if you want to schedule a post, you need to have a page. So I've already created a page over here. Now remember, you cannot schedule a post on a normal Facebook. Like, you need to create a business page. So this is my page over here. And now I can go to create a post. And right below boost post, there is a thing called post scheduling is available in publish tool. Click on publish tool and it's gonna open a new tab and it's gonna take you over here in this page. And now click on create post. After clicking on create post, you can see over here if you want to add a photo or a video. So I want to make a post with photos, so I'm going to click on add photo, and then I'm gonna select my photo over here. So it's uploading media right now. Wait for some time. So this is the image which I want to publish. Now I can write, if I want to add a title in this photo, I can write it over here as well. So I don't want to write any title over here. So now to publish this by scheduling, you can click on this arrow button over here which is pointing down, which is right beside publish. Click on it and schedule post comes up over here, and click on schedule post. Now pick a time when you want to post it. So right now is 8:47 a.m. and I want this photo to be published at 9:30 a.m. So I'm gonna set this time, and if I want to change the day over here, I can just click over here whenever I want to set it. So this is the date and time which I want to publish it. So I can click on save and then click on schedule post, and then boom. So this is the photo over here which is going to be posted in March 28 21 in 9:30, and it's going to go public at this time. So yeah, that's how you schedule post on Facebook. You need to have a business page for this because you cannot do it in a normal Facebook post. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.